Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Trisha and it's Cooking with Trisha today. Today guys, I'll be making Jamaican coconut rum fruit cake. You heard me correctly guys, coconut rum fruit cake. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. Come here guys, come here, let me show you the ingredients. So guys, this is what I'll be using to make my coconut rum fruit cake. So guys, here I have 8 eggs, I have 2 cups of flour, I also have 2 cups of blended fruits soaked, I have 2.5 cups of brown sugar, and guys, I have a sweet tooth, so you can use 2 to 2.5 cups of sugar. That's up to you. I also have 1 cup of coconut flour, as well as half cup of coconut flour and half cup of blended water crackers. So this is the coconut flour guys that I use, and I'll be grating the lime, or rather half of this lime zest in my eggs. I went ahead and I removed the eyes of the egg guys, so that the egg is not raw, or the cake is not raw. Some persons don't remove it, but I tend to remove it. That's something that I see my father doing growing up. Right here guys, I have 2 cups of butter, and this is chiffon butter guys, because the chiffon butter make the cake very flavorful. I have my vanilla, I'll be using 2 tablespoons. I also have 1/4 cup of orange juice right there, mixed spice right here, and also 2 tablespoons of baking powder that is already in my flour. Guys, I sieved my flour, I sieved the coconut flour as well as the water crackers. I'm also gonna use 1 cup of coconut trash guys. It tastes so good. So guys, this is what the coconut trash looks like, and it's very sweet. It tastes so my cinnamon powder and my nutmeg. So I'll be using 1 nutmeg and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I also have my browning guys, and because it's coconut cake, I'm not going to be using 3/4 bottles of browning like it's a black cake. I probably just use 2 tablespoons of browning guys. What else? Yes, so the coconut flour, this is the brand that I'll be using, Bob's Red Mill coconut flour, and it tastes really good guys. And this is the red label wine and the rum that soaked my fruits, and I'll be probably putting a little bit more in there. Guys, you'll love this recipe. Just follow it step by step and you won't go wrong. I finished creaming this with the mixer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now guys, I'm going to be adding my eggs. So that's about 1.5 egg guys. I'm just going to mix it around. Show them, babe, zoom up, make them see what I want. And I'm cutting and folding. I start my cut and fold process guys. So guys, at this point in time, I'm gonna be adding 1/4 cup of orange juice. I mean, not lie guys, it might be a little less than 1/4 cup. I'm I'm gonna be cutting and folding my orange juice through it twice, people. Right, so cut and fold. I'm also going to be adding some mixed spice. I don't like the taste, people, but it's 1 tablespoon, so I'll be using half tablespoon. I'm not too like the taste of mixed spice. Right, cut and fold. Zoom up, cameraman. Let them see what I'm going with. Cut and fold, people. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Whoops. Yes, guys, it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Cut and fold again. Alright, at this point in time, I'm gonna be adding 2 cups of flour, guys. Just gonna be adding a little bit at a time, and it's baking flour. So add a little and cut and fold. And guys, the flour has the 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Guys, at this point in time, I'm going to be adding my half cup of coconut powder, or rather coconut flour, and half cup of water crackers, and it's all blended and strained, people. Same process, guys. Cut and fold. Smells so good. I can smell up the coconut already. Guys, is my 2 cups of blended fruits. And so the mixture color start change already, people. It smells good, you see? I smell the rum. It has been soaking for about a month now. Some persons choose to stew their fruits. I soak mine. Zoom in, camera now. So I'm going to be adding 1 cup of coconut flakes. Right? Remember, I have coconut fruit rum cake. So you have to add your coconut flakes, people. This is mixed spice. Sorry, not mixed spice. Cinnamon powder and nutmeg. 1 entire nutmeg and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of browning. Because it's coconut fruit cake, I don't want it to be black like the normal black fruit cake. So I just want it to be light brown. So I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of browning. I think I'm gonna be adding 1 quart full of wine.
Guys, this is what the cake is looking like. It's moist, guys. It is delicious. This is a must try recipe for the Christmas holiday. You must try baking this coconut rum Jamaican Christmas cake. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? please remember to hit that subscription button, like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.